We nut.
That word, man.
First thing this man asked for.
Nudge if you budge, boy. Nudge if you budge.
Which way you want nudge? Left, right, left.
2 nudges to the retard.
2 to the right.
Can you smidge it a little bit?
2 smidges to the right.
He said, don't.
Can you nudge it to
Hold
the
on.
right?
Do you want me to just?
Nudge if you budge, boy.
You want me to just grab all the vocals and nudge them to the right?
Nut if you butt. Nut if you butt. Nut if you butt.
All separately.
This man just wants 2 nudges every single time. To the right?
Butt, nigga. To the right.
To the right. You sure it's to the right?
Okay, which one is slower and which one is faster?
To the right makes it slower on the beat.
Okay, I would say slower. Go to the right. I knew I was right. 2 nudges.
All right, look, I'm gonna do 2.
To the right.
2 nudges, y'all.
Right to the right. To the.
1, 2. That's it.
Whoa, now press play.
He said, bam, bam. All right, man. 2 nudges.
On my neck, she's so fine, yeah, she's so wet. I'm OG, thing on my hip. If you wanna drink, babe, what you wanna sip? Girl, you know me. What's your name? I can tell you what it is, but I can tell you what it ain't. I'm so different. Girl, I'm so different. I'm so different.
This man came in here looking too smooth.
I'm so different. So different. Different. Me a little shawty in the back. I'm feeling on the thighs, ass real fat. All on me, all on my neck. Feeling on the thigh, yeah, she's so wet. I know the spots and the positions that's gonna have her stalking me. And she said she gonna have my baby. I'm so different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Blending together and, you
The
know,
blends.
compressing and stuff, you know.
Yeah.
Equalizing stuff, you know.
Bro, we ain't gonna be able to equalize and blend and compress and all that in
Nah, no.
10 minutes.
You could do a little something on it.
Little something. I got you. This is the adlib vocal. I need to make this smoother.
Yeah.
Take out these frequencies.
Man, we got the 57.
This is your hard drive?
87, bro. 87.
87, 97.
Was that name?
This yours?
Niggas still.
Yeah.
What kind of
Yeah.
Seagate drive is that?
Yeah.
You got a 10 terabyte.
Okay, one of them has to be a louder vocal because that's part of the main.
Yeah, the main was loud.
No,
Hold
the main
on.
one, and it's another one that's like an ad-lib one that has to be.
Yeah, I'm about to get the sauce with that. Bro. So I'm gonna add a mono reverb on the ad-lib vocals so that you can notice it. The right now you're just not really noticing it because you don't know where in space it fully is yet. But once I add the reverb on here,
Yeah.
like right now there's a little reverb, a little bit of delay, but this mono reverb on here.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I just need some of that so we can tell in space where it is.
That vocal got to turn up a little more.
Yeah, pause it. Hold on. I got you.
No bag.
Actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this one stereo. Yeah, let's try that.
Oh shit, I gotta pull my ride for this.
I think making it stereo is gonna make us hear it no more.
Yeah.
Hold on a second.
together.
I'm making it stereo instead of mono so that you can distinguish it in the mix, and I don't gotta make it like hella loud where it's competing with the other vocals. That's what I'm trying to do.
No bag, no bag, no bag, no bag, no bag, no bag,
Let's put in the lead again.
without no bag, no bag, without no bag, no bag, not like that. Oh,
Now to make it distinguish even more against the lead, I'll make this one like brighter, just a little bit brighter.
bag, without no bag, no bag, without no bag, no bag, not like that. Oh, bag, without no bag, no bag, without no bag, no bag, not like that. Oh,
Something like that, you know what I'm saying?
bag, without no bag, no bag, without no bag, no bag, not like that. Oh,
This is such a cool effect. On this section, I put your vocals through like this big reverb. It sounds sick, but it needs to not be as harsh. Let me see. A little bit of low end, shave off. Let's see so when there's certain frequencies that pop out because you're saying so in the mids, like, let me show you where those are. Shit. Like some of those. These are cool. And that. Yeah, definitely want to turn that one down. Even that helps. So we can, let me know if you want this sound on this vocal to be fuller or thinner. It might sound cooler thinner, like almost like a telephone effect kind of vibe. But you tell me which one. So this is full, right, already? But this would be like if we were to thin it out. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like that kind of vibe.
Yeah.
not like that.
Thinner?
No,
you like the
how
thinner?
that is, but these two, I think like I turn them like blend them or something.
All right, so these, here you can listen to these.
You know, I'm like
Giving good day without no bag, without no bag, without no bag.
you gotta turn them down.
Probably just turn them down, yeah.
Yeah.
For now, that's the best blend you can do. Is turn them down.
Sad, giving good day.
No, I'm just saying that's
Yeah,
that's the easiest thing, or the best way to do is just turn it down.
Sad, giving good day without no bag, without no bag, without no bag.
And this one be just getting harsh, so this is the one I gotta deal with.
Ain't tryna go without no bag,
Yeah, let me see if I can tame some of those harsh frequencies in your voice again right here. That should be getting strong.
Without no bag, not like that. Oh, without no bag, without no bag, not like that. Yeah, without no bag. No bag.
It's definitely better.
Yeah, without no bag. Without no bag. Not like that. Oh,
just a little less harsh.
On these parts, can you like just compress those little, because it gets a little high at the end?
The yellow?
No, these ones, these right here.
I can just automate the volume down.
Okay.
Yeah, that's easy.
No, not that one.
I know this, I just want to make the, it's a little bit piercing sounding. So I find where it is. It's that, a little bit. Smoother. All these come down, yeah? Right here? From here forward?
No, it's really like on like these last high notes.
Just click the ends down. Sounds sick, bro.
Alright, well, we'll get back to it whenever I,
The mix, yeah, we'll finna finalize the mix on one of the next ones. Tube! What's on it? He said it was, he said it sounds aight.
It's alright.
JC, the millennial, is not on there.
I don't have a verse, so.
This man was waiting this entire time. And look, he didn't sit down one time.
I did actually go look at the YouTube video. They tell me I was.
This man didn't sit down one time. He just wanted to hop on.
He's just saying that. He's just talking at this point. Y'all seen me sit down.
Stunner, what you got to say, man?
Man, I'm sorry about telling y'all the mixtape is always on the way, but the mixtape is on the way, and sorry we didn't get it done today. It's his fault, you guys. If you want to know why the mixtape
not my fault. How is it my fault?
It's Sonic Gold's fault.
Anyway, YouTube, appreciate y'all. Hope y'all learned something today. See y'all soon. Peace. Hey, I hope you guys have learned something from today's video. I would love to hear your thoughts, so comment below and I'll check those out. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of the future videos coming up. My name is Princeton Brown. I'm a producer and mixing engineer based in Los Angeles, and I would love to hear from you. If you have a brand new song that you're working on and would love a mix on by me, send it my way. I would also love to give you feedback on the mixes that you're working on, so please send those my way. Last but not least, I have a free mini course called 6 Mix Finalizers. All of this information is in the description below. Thank you guys again for tuning in and watching. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.
Sonic Gold Production.